Hello guys, welcome to my channel SK Coder. So guys, from today we are going to start our Java programming series in Eclipse. So this is the first part and let's start. So guys, first of all, this is our workspace. This is our Java project lesson number 1 and this is our class hello world. So I just type system that out.println. So I'll put here hello world. Now let's just try running our program. So there, it has run our program and you can see it has printed the text hello world. So system.out means output and println means printing that output. So whatever you put in these brackets, whatever string or whatever data type, it will be printed. So let's just try doing that. So I will write a data type integer and it will be called number is equal to 0. So I took a random number. Now I'll just call this number here. Number. So I have called this number variable here. So let's just run our program and let's see if it prints 0. And there it has printed 0, the value of number. Now whatever will be the value of number, it will print it here. So let's just try a string. So I'll put in that string name is equal to Shreyash Kalwaghe. So there, this variable name of data type string has the text Shreyash Kalwaghe, the name. Let me put here name. Now I am calling this variable here. So let me just run the program and it should print Shreyash Kalwaghe. So let's just see. And there, it runs Shreyash Kalwaghe. So in the next tutorial, we'll see the data types and the variables.